Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel VaMidanu. On today's menu we are making Ghana's favorite peanut snack known as NKATE cake or peanut brittle. So let's get cooking. In a clean dry pan I'm adding 2/3 cups of granulated sugar. I'm going to heat that on medium heat till the sugar fully dissolves. So there are two types of NKATE cake that you can find on the streets of Ghana. So we have one made with whole groundnuts and another made with crushed groundnuts or peanuts. However, the whole groundnuts version is my favorite, so we are going to be doing that today. Once my sugar has fully dissolved, I'm going to go in with 1.5 whole peanuts or groundnut, and I'm going to mix that till it is well combined. Also at this point you might want to turn off the heat completely or reduce your heat. So next step is to grease your work surface. I usually grease my surface before cooking my sugar and groundnut so that my groundnut will not harden before I get to transfer to my work surface. So next, with the help of a rolling pin, you flatten your groundnut mixture. Don't forget to grease your rolling pin before doing that. Once it's nice and flat, you go ahead to cut according to your desired shape or size, and as simple as that, we have our NKATE cake. If you found this recipe helpful, kindly subscribe for more recipes, and please don't forget to leave a comment or like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.